Hey guys, let's make a quick and healthy snack, popcorn, using 4 ingredients. They will be ready in less than 5 minutes. To make this, take some olive oil, add some salt and paprika. Paprika is optional here. Now add corn kernels. Try to use non-GMO corn if you can. It should be labeled as such. Mix well. Now keep the pan on low to medium heat and add the mixture to it. Here is the crucial and most important step that will ensure that almost all the kernels pop. Keep stirring constantly for a minute or until you see the kernels are about to pop or some have started popping. Secure the lid at this point and keep the flame now to medium to high heat. Why is that? Because if you keep it on low to medium now, the kernels will turn black and won't pop. So keep this in mind. This insight comes from my own failed attempt. So have you ever wondered why corn pops? Because when exposed to heat, the water trapped in the center turns to steam, creating internal pressure which makes the kernels explode. Interesting, right? That's why the required heat is important here to make them pop. And you can see in the video it started popping. And just like that, a quick healthy popcorn is ready. This is one of the healthiest grains, being a great source of fiber, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. In fact, popcorn is one of the few whole grains that is commonly enjoyed on its own as a snack. Give it a try. I hope you'll enjoy it. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos that might be helpful. Until then, here's to your health and happiness. See you guys next time. Thanks.